In this video I want to show you how very important to check level across the floor direction. So if I put straight edge, so it's almost even, just maybe quarter-inch different there. It's not much, it looks like it's fine, just a little bit, need to do leveling, but direction should be from the balcony to another side. So when we put straight edge across, so all the way it's getting more and more and more, and right here I guess it's very visible. You can see so how it's deep. It's maybe already half inch. Here's more. I guess here's a knife. So look how it's deep. So, and if you didn't check it and just put small patch here, quarter-inch, and then install floor. And floor, if it's floating floor, it can lift up always, and when you walk, you can feel how floor is breathing. So now I will show you how to level this part, so when we avoid this problem, we can start. From here and all the way. So I'm gonna start mix the self-leveling. Here's already I put bucket of water. So here is 5-gallon bucket with water like this, not full by this point. So put by portion, not much. You see, in this video I am doing very simple steps and very limited quantity of tools. Need straight edge. This is straight edge 10 feet. Also I have trowel, flat trowel without any tools, just for spreading self-leveling compound. I need barrel, or if you use bucket, fine also, and mixer. Before start self-leveling compound application, don't forget put primer. You see on the floor a green color, this is the primer.
This is ready. Okay.
So now how it's look. Okay, we can wait when it's dry. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.